We are looking out over Chalong Bay, waiting for a speedboat to pick us up. I didn't know about Raya Island until my parents told me that we might be going to there, and I was like, oh my goodness, that sounds amazing. We're off to Raya Island. I'm so excited. The boat ride takes about 30 minutes, and we get to enjoy some snacks and the beautiful scenery along the way. Subscribe to our channel and put a like for this video. I'm on my island! Raya Island looks amazing.
Now, what do you think of Raya's Island?
Well, it's really cool. We actually went on a scavenger hunt to find a whole bunch of Raya signs. We found a whole lot way up there. There's like banners and everything with the name Raya on it. So it's pretty cool.
Awesome.
Follow me, I'm gonna show you Raya Resort. Yeah, I like to go in for a scavenger hunt to find all the signs that said my name.
Did you check out Raya Resort?
Oh, yes. Straight up to Raya Resort up there.
And you liked her resort? You would come and spend a couple days here?
Yeah, maybe.
Look at how beautiful the view is from this spot.
We're just looking for the word Raya, so that counts.
So you built that resort?
No. They built it after I was born because I thought Raya was such a beautiful, spectacular name.
So they built it in honor of you?
Yes. And if you were still more close,
Hey, Raya, is this your restaurant?
yep. Another Raya. It's even spelled properly.
Raya Restaurant is so pretty. Can you imagine sitting here and enjoying the view?
You just call my name and I'll be right. Anytime you need me.
I could live on Raya Island for like the rest of my life. I'd be the happiest person living.
That's your resort. Raya Resort.
I had my name twice up there. Raya, Ballon, Raya Resort, and Raya Resort. Now's the prettiest.
I would love to stay at the Raya Resort and stay there overnight.
Wow, Raya, your resort is beautiful. Great job. Will you let Mommy and Daddy come and visit sometime?
I like going to Raya Island because the water was so clear and the beach sand was so soft. It was perfect.
So when you found out about Raya Island, how badly did you want to go?
Really badly, except my sister just broke her elbow or something, and now and then I thought, well, would I still be able to go if she couldn't swim? This is a pretty nice spot to have lunch. The best thing to do on Raya Island was to look for all the signs that said my name. Let's head back to the beach.
It's pretty nice. And one thing that's really cool is up there, in all those trees, there's one higher than all the others, and it looks like a shark. That's cool.
The beach on Raya Island is really nice and it's not very crowded. We picked the perfect day to come here, and we have the beach mostly to ourselves.
So what do you think of Raya Island?
It's nice.
You have,
There's a scavenger hunt at Raya.
you have a nice beach, Raya.
There's one over there, and I'm in the Raya Lake, or ocean.
So what was it like coming to Raya's Island?
Well, it was pretty decent here. I have to say I liked it better than Coral Island.
So you think Raya did a pretty good job building this island?
Yep,
And
say that for sure. So it's been fun here. Even though I can't go swimming. As I broke my elbow.
but not on Raya Island. Broke your island in Phuket, but you still came to Raya's Island. What a trooper.
Okay. Just that dock scares me.
Yeah. This dock over here,
It's just
that
floating.
it's a floating dock, and when the waves come, you have to ride over the wave on the dock. You need very good balance.
Right now the waves are small, but earlier they were big, and the waves that made the dock go woo.
Yeah. I don't think Raya wants to leave her island.
Nope, she's there with her snorkel on.
She's pretty happy on her island.
Take me home.
The views from the boat are incredible. Check that out.
And never let this feeling end. If only we could sail.
I liked going to Raya Island because it was named after me, and I liked seeing all the signs with my name on it. That was one of the best days of my life on Raya Island. My favorite place in all of Thailand was Raya Island. I recommend Raya Island to every traveler that goes to Thailand. Make sure you watch more videos so you don't miss out on any of our adventures.